Hi, I'm Ted Parker, co-president of Vibrant Health, to tell you about our flagship product, Green Vibrance. Like all our products, the Green Vibrance formula has evolved as our understanding of nutritional science and biochemistry has evolved. It's in its 28th version in 28 years, and it's our absolute best yet. Green Vibrance is made with plant-based raw materials hand-sourced by us and tested for potency and efficacy before and after blending at one of our certified GMP facilities. Each pre-blended raw material and each final blended batch receives the same careful treatment and passes through the same rigorous third-party testing parameters to ensure perpetual quality as per GMP guidelines. Vitamin and mineral contents are verified and extracts are evaluated to ensure they provide the appropriate amount of nutrients as advertised on our labels upon each formula update. Every ingredient is fully disclosed by dose on our labels. We never ever use proprietary blends. So what makes Green Vibrance unique, and how does it support nutrition, circulation, immunity, and digestion, the four foundations of health? Nutrition is supported with exceedingly nutrient-dense Kansas-grown organic cereal grass whole leaf and juice powders. Plant-based micronutrition comes from blue-green algae, lecithin, certified organic vegetables, zucchini fruit powder, and kale leaf powder. Getting these nutrients to every periphery in the body is critical, from your fingertips to the tips of your toes. So we've added almost 2 grams of antioxidants to help circulation in the form of colorful fruits, herbs, extracts, and vitamin E as D-alpha-tocopherol acetate. 3 different forms of polysaccharide extracts support both innate and adaptive immune response. Astragalus, shown to improve immune function and to decrease fatigue, is found at 70% polysaccharides. Beta-1,3 and 1,6 glucans derived from yeast increase host immune defense by activating a complement system, enhancing macrophages and natural killer cell function. Large rabbinogalactans enhance natural killer cells and macrophages, and the secretion of pro-inflammatory cytokines. It's found in a variety of common vegetables, medicinal herbs, and sourced commercially from North American larch trees. To fend off life stressors that can lower the body's immune response, we've added adaptogens from non-toxic plants such as ginseng, eleuthero root, and holy basil. Green Vibrance also supports bone health. Cissus quadrangularis extract helps bones develop, and the calcium fructoborate, our form of boron, supports calcium and magnesium retention, and vitamin D utilization. Vegan lichen oil-based D3 helps the body absorb calcium to build stronger bones. Digestion is supported by acacia gum, flaxseed, FOS, apple fruit powder, and prebiotics. Burdock root and milk thistle and dandelion root extracts thoroughly and gently detoxify the liver. Ginger, 6 vegetable-based digestive enzymes, and cayenne pepper help to improve digestion and assimilation of nutrients. Lastly, the single most important ingredient in Green Vibrance is the probiotic, at 25 billion per serving from 12 dairy-free strains. It improves the health of your gut's microbiome, the seat of your immune system, and where nutrients enter the body. If you don't have a healthy gastrointestinal tract, you simply cannot have good nutrition, or a robust immune system for that matter. Green Vibrance. It's where it all started, and it's still one of Vibrant Health's best-selling formulas for helping people live their best life.